in the lumbering area. There's a suspicious figure lurking and observing. Ah, a bandit!
Where did you go?
The theft seems to have gone unnoticed. He is stealing wood.
Oh.
Hey, let go.
It's the forest ranger station.
Goodbye!
How will the thief escape from here? He backs up his vehicle and takes another route. A path covered with leaves. Dangerous territory. Nothing happens.
Help me! Help!
It's a trap.
Help me! Oh. Oh. Go!
Trouble ahead.
No. Help me! Hello.
Hulk operates the bridge, rescuing the
Where?
vehicle of the bandit from the truck. The rescue mission is successful.
There are probably more traps here.
Check out.
Everything returns to normal at Captain's house.
Brother, I need your help. Okay, I'm coming.
Wow, the rescue team comes to Captain's aid. The helicopter starts up and takes off. What's the purpose of this helicopter?
Help me blow away this pile of leaves.
Hello! Where?
Revealing dangerous traps. Wow, it's impressive. The layer of the leaves is blown away. Well, we have work to do now.
Goodbye!
Okay.
Hello, I need a sand truck.
Hello!
The excavator loads sand onto the tractor's truck bed. Certainly, the road will need a lot of sand. Just like that, the road becomes safer.
Where did you go?
Wow, absolutely safety.
Goodbye!
Oh!
This is the outcome for the bandit. Oh, Mario has been playing games all night. Mario, get up and work. Can't you hear me? Games. Mario still refuses to stop playing.
Hey!
You better get to work right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A hug signifies reconciliation. Job. Mario goes to the farm and starts the grass cutting. The grass is neatly cut. Will Mario be awake enough to work? Be careful!
Next, I'm going to plow the soil.
Okay, okay, okay.
What are you doing?
This time, Mario is more focused.
Wow!
Soil plowing tool. The soil is plowed smoothly into straight rows.
Hello, I need seeds.
Mario prepares to sow seeds.
Oh no!
Truck.
Ha.
Hello!
Now, let's transport them to Mario's house. This is the number of seeds Mario needs.
Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, thank you.
Now, it's time to sow the seeds.
Bye!
Is gardening more tiring than playing games? Neat and beautiful seed rows. Next is the step of fertilizing the plants. Fertilizer helps the plants grow better.
Wow!
Okay, okay, let's go.
Several days later.
The corn is ripe. Let's harvest.
And here is the result.
Hello!
Corn cobs are neatly stuck on the truck. The fresh
Hello!
Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Bye! Wow! Hello!
Hey, 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 hey.
No. Oh! Aha!
Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Oh, wow! Help me! Hello!
오케이, 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 오케이. 오케이, 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 오케이.
Aha! Wow!
Hey, let go, let go.
Hello!
Bye.
Hello! Hello!
At a wood harvesting area,
Okay, okay, okay.
the trees are very large and heavy. They're damaged. This road has suffered severe hit. The vehicle has fallen into a
What should I do?
Hulk tried hard, but
Okay, okay, okay. What happened?
My vehicle fell into a pit. Can you help me?
between the two vehicles, a chain is hooked. Whoa, whoa! I wonder if Hook's vehicle can be pulled
Okay, okay, let go.
Go, 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 go!
out of the pit. Ah, here we go. The vehicle has been safely pulled up.
Oh.
Goodbye!
Okay, okay, okay.
I need sand to level the road.
Captain brings the sand out of the garage.
Okay, let go, let go.
The ex- Both of you, help me deal with this pit. The excavator starts working.
Hello!
The first pit is being handled. The road becomes smoother. Continuing with the other pits.
Well done, my friends.
Another wood transport vehicle is coming. Wow, no more pits.
Whoa, whoa!
The road has just been fixed. Oh, it seems the vehicle is too heavy. Not good.
Oh, hello!
Hawk decides to make a sturdy,
Oh.
this time using gravel. Gravel is spread across.
Hello!
The road surface. Concrete mixer truck. The concrete road is being lifted.
Okay, let's go.
Everything is fine. Hawk wants to test the road, Hawk. A race between two trains, Hawk?
Let's go!
And here's Hawk. Alcohol. That's enough, Hawk. Oh, that's... A suspect appears. Hawk is too drunk.
Hey!
Drink alcohol anymore.
Drunk again? Wake up quickly, we're losing the car.
From now on, I won't.
Okay, go.
Falling again.
Go, 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 go! Here we go!
Oh, he fell.
Go, 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 go!
Hawk accelerates to catch the thief.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop!
Not good. The train race is still going on. Oh no! Two trains are stuck in the middle of the tracks.
Hey, hey! Oh, no!
It's fortunate to have a rescue plane here.
Oh, no!
The train is slowly lifted.
It's best to have barriers for cars crossing the railway.
Bye! Let's go!
Okay.
Hawk goes to the train station. And the speed bump. Here are the car barriers.
Go, 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 go!
Isn't that a concrete mixer? The mixer blends cement, sand, and water. Now, it's time to fix the materials. This is how the car barrier... Wow!